I have an outline I've created in Word, and I'd like to create slides in PowerPoint from the outline. So I need to format this in a specific way. I'll select this first line and make it heading 1. Anything marked as heading 1 will be a new slide in PowerPoint. Then I'll select these two lines and I'll mark them as heading 2 because I want them to be subtitles on the slide. I want federal holidays to be a new slide, so I'll mark it as heading 1. Then I'll select New Year's Day and mark it as heading 2. And then these next 3 lines I want to be bulleted items, so I'll mark them as heading 3. I've gone ahead and formatted the rest of this document. Next, I need to save this under a different file format. I'll go to File, choose Save As, and I'll change the file type to Rich Text Format. I'll choose Save and close the file. Now over in PowerPoint, I'll click the drop-down portion of New Slide and I'll choose Outline. Then I'll select the file I just saved and click Insert. And it's created these slides from the outline.